Yeah. They tell me having too much sex can result in memory loss. Well, I recall reading on page 37, paragraph 5 of the New England Holistic Journal on September 5th, 1978 at 6:69 in the morning. Don't be dogging me, honey. I love you sure enough. I need my freedom, baby. You're built for comfort, not for speed. I come a-running to your front yard when I hear you calling me. But truly, honey, I'm a backdoor guy. Yeah, baby, I ask for water and you give me tea. You know, if I was a bird, I'd be perched up high on that wire next to them speakers and sneakers dangling. And I'd be eyeing you for sure. I'd be like that little red rooster waiting to fly down and pounce on you. So, honey, don't be dogging me, 'cause I'm your guy for sure. Don't be dogging me, baby. I love you sure enough. You know, I'm really fantastic at multitasking. I can waste time, be totally unproductive, and procrastinate all at the same moment, like I'm doing right now. Love you all. Catch you tomorrow. I'm gonna go slide downhill at Hunter Mountain.